poppin' YouTube? Edis3T, man, back with another video. It's been a long time since I posted on the channel, but we back. So check this out, right? We got this update. So we got this right here, man. We got this J&L catch can that we about to install on the Camaro, man. And we got these bad boys right here. Yeah, we got the 178 Longtube headers. So yeah, we got the headers and we got the catch can. So we go install these on the Camaro, man. So Longtube headers, we got the catch can, excuse me. So yeah, man, we back. We finna do this quick little install on the Camaro. So big shout out to J&L, man. Shout out to J&L. Shout out to J&L for the catch can. We finna put this on the Camaro. Yo. So we got two lines right here. We got the short one and we got the long one. We gonna put that short line on first. So the short line right here, the short line gonna go right there. We'll put the short line right there. So go. And once it click, we'll give it a nice little pull and it's on there. All right, so now we got the short line on there. We're gonna put the long line. We'll take the long line. The long line is gonna connect to the intake manifold. So we're gonna slide this thing through there. We're gonna take it on there, give it a nice little twist. You heard that click, and we're gonna pull it on it 3 times. Now it's stuck in place. It's hooked on there. So we got the lines in place. Like that. All right, so now we got the mounting bracket right here. So we got the nice little JBL signal right here. So what we gonna do with this right here, we gonna put this, we gonna take this bolt off right here. This bolt gonna come off and this gonna go back on, and the catch can, the mount gonna sit right here. So, all right, so we gonna take this bolt off right here. It's the bolt. Gotta take this bolt off right here. Get this bolt off. And we gonna slide that mount bracket right back inside this screw. And we gonna put the screw right back on. So as you can see, we got the screw through the mount bracket like this. So now we're gonna put it back on right here. It's just easy, slide right back on. I need to get this engine bay clean. I know, man, my engine bay is filthy. All right, so now we got it on. Now we're gonna tighten it up some more. Now we're gonna tighten it up, go back with the wrench. All right, so we're gonna tighten this up real. Now that we got that tight, we got the bracket mounted nice and tight in there. All right, so now what we gonna do is, so we got these 2 holes right here, right? These 2 holes, those 2 holes, they screw on the top of this. So we gonna put the catch can on like this. Put the catch can on like that. And we got these 2 screws right here that we gonna screw in together. So that's what we finna do. All right, so we gonna go and put the catch can on here now. So, right there. Just screw it in. All right, so now we gonna take these, we gonna connect the hose to the catch can now. So we're gonna go slide this back up under here. Got that. That thing on there nice and tight. So now we got it on there nice and tight. Now I got a plug. We gonna plug this line back up here. So basically plug everything back up that we disconnected. Like that. So now we gotta do is plug everything back up. So this right here. So that's clicked in. And this goes right here. Let's slide that up under there. We go plug that up right there. We gonna slide this right there. And there we have it. Finished product. So when this thing fill up with oil, we just go come from the bottom. Just do it like this. And voila. So yeah. Put it back on. You go twist it. So yeah, man, we gotta get a engine bay clean ASAP. As you can see, man, the LS3 is dirty, real dirty. Y'all remember we put the roto fab on here. We put the BMR. So yeah, we got the catch can installed. So yeah, we got to put the headers on next. So yeah, we got the catch can installed on the Camaro. Just put the catch can on, man. So like I said, we got to get these Longtube headers on next. So we got the headers right here. So yeah, we got to put the headers on next. So yeah, so other than that, man, we at 93,000 miles. So we bought the Camaro at 70,000. We just hit 93,000. We just got an oil change. Well, 2 days ago, just changed the oil on there, new filter, cabin air filter. We just changed all that. So, like I say, got the catch can, Longtube headers. So, we finna get a two-step too. So, when we put the headers on, we go do the two-step. We go swap out the 345 gears. We go do the 391 gears. I'm gonna get an underdrive pulley. We gonna get the ATI underdrive pulley as well. So I'm gonna do a lot of, the cam is gonna be the last thing I'm gonna do. So we gonna do a lot of work to the car, but I'm not ready to cam it yet because this is still my daily driver. I drive this car back and forth to work every day. And like I say, I don't drag race, you know what I'm saying? I might play around every now and then, you know, I might do some donuts and some burnouts, but like I'm really not into the street racing thing. So I'm not really chasing power right now. I'm still just enjoying the car as a daily driver. So like I say, mostly we go Longtube headers, E85 tune. We go do an underdrive pulley. We got the catch can. We got the strut bar. We go get some more BMI suspension upgrades as well. So yeah, man, we got plans for the Camaro, but like I say, I don't plan on camming it right now on down the line, but we just go do the springs and the lifters. We go and get everything, you know what I'm saying? We go and get everything. So when it's time to cam it, we already have everything we need for the cam. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it for this video, man. Quick little video for the channel, you know what I'm saying? Thank every last one of y'all that's subscribing. We almost at 500 subscribers, so we on the road to 1,000 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm still thugging off my cell phone, as you can see, man. We got the iPhone, so we still getting out the mud right now. We still at the bottom, but we gonna be at the top. So like I say, man, LS3T, Big NS3. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram, YouTube, NS3T. You know what I'm saying? We upload content daily on both platforms. I'm finna start back posting on YouTube as well. So y'all be blessed, man. NS3T, gone.